So guys, you can see this is the system we want to install here. I think you can see from that, and we want to take it up there. Sasa tunataka kupandisha huko juu tuiweke. So stay tuned, tutaonyesha process na steps na zenye maybe you need, and if you want to be installed with such a system, unaweza bado ni contact, then we can do business. You can also DM for such a system into your building. I think you can see from that end. Yeah.